How do I opt out of Rocket Money? Have you ever been frustrated with the amount of money you are spending on subscriptions? If so, you're not alone. In fact, a recent study found that the average American spends over $200 per month on subscriptions. That's a lot of money. One way to save money on subscriptions is to use Rocket Money. Rocket Money is a free app that helps you track your subscriptions and cancel the ones you don't need. However, some people have reported that they're having trouble opting out of Rocket Money. If you're one of those people, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to opt out of Rocket Money. Rocket Money is a great app for saving money on subscriptions. However, it's important to know that you can opt out of the service at any time. In fact, Rocket Money makes it easy to opt out. In this video, I'll show you 2 different ways to opt out of Rocket Money. Method 1. Opt out through the Rocket Money app. Open the Rocket Money app. Tap on the Settings tab. Tap on the Account tab. Tap on the Cancel Subscription button. Confirm that you want to cancel your subscription. You will be redirected to the App Store or Google Play Store. Tap on the Delete button. Your Rocket Money subscription will be canceled. Method 2. Opt out through the Rocket Money website. Go to the Rocket Money website. Click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address and password. Click on the My Account tab. Click on the Cancel Subscription button. Confirm that you want to cancel your subscription. You will be redirected to the App Store or Google Play Store. Tap on the Delete button. Your Rocket Money subscription will be canceled. If you're having trouble opting out of Rocket Money, you can contact their customer support team. You can also delete the Rocket Money app from your phone or computer. If you want to keep using Rocket Money but don't want to be charged, you can disable the automatic renewal feature. I hope this video has helped you learn how to opt out of Rocket Money. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you're looking for a way to save money on subscriptions, I recommend checking out Rocket Money. It's a great app that can help you save a lot of money each month. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I hope this script is helpful.